Oh my god, this is so disgusting. Jeez. Look, all this is coming out from my feet. This is the work of the... Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. I'm a skincare esthetician and I sell authentic skincare products. So today we're going to be talking about something that I feel so insecure about, that is my feet. I don't know, I think that those people that have nice feet, that are proud of their feet, are one of God's best friend. I have devised a method of making my feet look better, even though it doesn't really look that good. But this detoxifying method helped my feet helped me to be less insecure about my feet, and I'm going to be sharing that method with you guys. Growing up, I have always been insecure about my feet. I have veins on my feet. I have a flat foot. My feet is darker than the rest of my body. So I'm going to show you guys my detoxifying method. First thing I already did is to boil water. I boiled hot water because I'll be soaking my feet in it for some time. Added my hot water, and this is the cold one. And you have to adjust it to a temperature that is okay for your feet, not so cold, not so warm. Let's say hot, a little bit hot. Once I'm done with making sure the temperature of the water is okay by me, I go in with my ACV. This is apple cider vinegar with the mother. You have to add just one cup of it. After that, I go in with my pure Epsom salt. This is from Dr. Till's. It's a soaking solution. Then finally, I go in with the Bioderma cleansing wash. You can go in with any wash of your choice. You can go in with any soaking solution, or you can go in with a sea salt. The sea salt is cheaper. Yeah, just sea salt and the apple cider vinegar, or you can use white vinegar. Then you soak your feet. Oh, it's still very hot, but I don't mind. I think it's hot for me because I haven't bathed with hot water in a while. So I'll soak my feet in it for... Ooh, that feels good. I'll soak my feet in it for 10 minutes because 10 minutes is not bad. You can make it 15-20 depending on your tolerance and depending on how much time you have. The sea salt is already pricking my feet. It shows that it's making your feet softer and smoother. So while I'm soaking my feet, I soaked my equipment, some of the equipment I will be using. But if you don't have all these ones, you can get regular stone. The stone, I'm going to attach it to the video. The stone is cheaper and it's easier to get, but if you're living close to a supermarket, this is also advisable. It's around 2,500 or cheaper. So I have to soak it also in case it has any germs in it. So the importance of apple cider vinegar is that it helps make your feet smooth. Like, it's going to make your feet softer and smoother faster. And also the sea salt also helps to exfoliate your feet when it's in water. The soap is now going to make everything go together for it to work better and faster. Remember to top hot water. If the soaking gets, if you feel that what you soaked your feet is getting a little bit cold, you can top more water into the solution. I mean more hot water. Yeah.
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
If you don't have this, remember you can use the stone, or you can use this. This works also, but I'll be using the both. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. Jesus, guys, look, all this is coming out from my feet. This is the work of the apple cider vinegar and the sea salt. It's just like I'm shedding like a snake. So if you soak your feet longer, it works faster. Can you see? No, can you guys see? It's not an injury. This is my new skin. My new, all these things is just a dead skin. It's my new skin. As you can see, the water is changing color already, and I go in with my second stuff. This is going to help smoothing the one we used razor. Can you see all that? I'm done with the scrubbings and all. I'll go in with my Dove exfoliating body scrub, but you can make use of any body scrub of your choice. So scrub and scrub. My feet feel so good. Wash the scrub off. And I let my feet dry. I'll use this time and go and have my bath. Currently done. I'm going to finish up with this body butter from a Nigerian brand. So my leg feels so smooth, like so smooth. If you have a socks, you can put it on tonight, just for tonight. But that's all. I don't know if you're going to try out this method of detoxifying your feet, but trust me, it really helps. It helps me a lot, and my feet feel so smooth. I want you guys to try it, and when you try it and it didn't give exactly what I'm talking about, then I'm gonna give you 100,000 for wasting your time. But trust me, it will. That's all for today. Bye.